Good morning to one and all. Today's class we are going to discuss about method of mixtures. Mixture everybody know this. If you take a hot water and if you take a cold water, and if you mix one beaker, let us suppose one beaker you take a hot water, another beaker you take cold water, and if you mix hot water and cold water in one large beaker, then we can say it's a mixture, right? On the day of experiment, try to take two beakers of same size and try to pour 200 ml and try to heat the two beakers at the same temperature, say 60 degrees. Then after some time, try to take beaker A and try to transfer the water in beaker A to the large beaker. Try to take beaker B and try to transfer the water in the beaker B to the large beaker. Then what happens, the mixture of beaker A and beaker B is in a large beaker. Then what happens? Initially we have taken two beakers and we have heated the two beakers up to the same temperature. Size is same, temperature is same. When we transfer this liquid to the large beaker, what happens, the temperature decreases when compared to this temperature. For example, initially it is 60 degrees and then after transferring the temperature may down to 50 degrees. That means when compared to hotter sample, the temperature of mixture is less when compared to the temperature of the hotter sample. Situation 1, my dear students, I will explain once again. We have taken two beakers, one beaker with one beaker with 200 ml, another beaker with 200 ml of water. The beakers are same size. We heated up to the same temperature. When we transfer to the large beakers, then it will become a mixture. Whenever we transfer two liquids to one beaker, it will become a mixture. When we try to find out the temperature of hotter sample is more when compared to the temperature of the mixture. This is situation number 1. Coming to the situation number 2, let us take two beakers, one beaker with 200 ml of water, another beaker with 200 ml of water. Beaker 1 is heated up to 90 degrees Celsius, beaker 2 is heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. Then what happens, you transfer beaker A, water in beaker A, water in beaker B to the large beaker. Then what happens? The temperature of mixture is less than the temperature of hotter sample. The temperature of the mixture is greater than the temperature of cold sample. That means, let us suppose we have three temperatures. The temperature of hotter sample is T1, the temperature of colder sample is T2, then the temperature of mixture is T. Then if you want to find out the final, what is the temperature of A, beaker A is T1 minus T. Always temperature means highest temperature minus lowest temperature. The resultant temperature is always the highest temperature minus lowest temperature. The highest temperature is T1. T1 minus T. Coming to here, when compared to colder sample, the temperature of the mixture is higher. So T minus T2. T minus T2. T1 minus T. T minus T2. Then coming to here also, the temperature of mixture is less than the temperature of the hotter sample. The temperature of the mixture is greater than the temperature of the cold sample. Let us take situation number 2. Here we take two beakers, one beaker with 100 ml of water, another beaker with 200 ml of water. One beaker is heated up to 90 degrees Celsius, another beaker is heated up to 60 degrees Celsius. When we mix the contents, then what happens? The mixture of the sample is the temperature of mixture of sample is less than the temperature of the hotter sample. The temperature of the mixture is greater than the temperature of the cold sample. Hence we conclude that let us conclude in the form of an equation. Let the mass be M1 and M2, and temperatures be T1 and T2. T be the final temperature. Now let us calculate the heat. The formula for heat is Q is equal to Ms delta T. Let us take for a hotter body, mass is M1 and specific heat is S. And temperature difference I told you. What is the highest temperature? T1 is the highest temperature. T1 minus final temperature is T. So Q1 equals to M1 S delta T is T1 minus T. Let us take for the second body Q2 equal to mass is M2, specific heat is S, and the temperature is T minus T2 because temperature of mixed is greater than the temperature of cold sample. T1 is temperature of hot sample. T is the temperature of mixture. T is the temperature of mixture. T2 is the temperature of cold sample. Always whenever you are calculating the temperature, highest value minus lowest value. Highest temperature minus lowest temperature. In case 1, T1 is the highest temperature. In case 2, T is the highest temperature. Then as per the method of mixers, when two bodies are in contact with each other, then the net heat lost by hot body is equal to heat gained by cold body. Here the hot body is Q1 and cold body is Q2, and let us take Q1 equals to Q2, then you get M1 S T1 minus T is equal to M2 S T minus T2. Let us calculate this. As per